Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. My name is Charima, and once again I'm back with another video. Today we are going to learn something about some terms that we use in business and even in trade. So yeah, get yourself comfortable and let's get started. Now, the first term that we're going to learn today is the word business. How do we call business in Kikuyu? Business is called fiashara. Fiashara. If you hear anyone saying or talking about fiashara, then you definitely know they are talking about business. Fiashara. Some people call that some people call that also biashara. You can choose whichever name you like, fiashara or biashara. The other word we get to learn is money. How do we call money in Kikuyu? Money is called besha. Besha. That's the word we give to money or cash. Besha. Money, besha. Now, what if I want to say I have a lot of money? How do I say that? Dina besha nyige. Dina, I have. Besha, money. Nyige, a lot. I have a lot of money. Dina besha nyige. Dina besha nyige. I have a lot of money. Now, or you can simply say a lot of money. How does one say a lot of money? Besha nyige. Besha nyige, a lot of money. Besha nyige, a lot of money. Besha, we already said money. A lot, nyige. Besha nyige, a lot of money. Now, the other thing we get to learn is, what if you want to say there is no money? There is no money. Gotire besha. There is no money. Gotire besha. There is no money. Gotire simply meaning there is no money. Gotire meaning there is nothing, there is no that whatever you want, or just we don't have money. Gotire besha. Now, maybe someone wants to borrow you some money and he or she will say gobera besha. Gobera besha. Gobera is like borrow money or take a loan or lend money. Gobera besha. Gobera besha. Gobera besha. Gobera, borrow, lend, or give me some money, I will give you back. Besha, we already said is money. And that person wants, maybe he or she does not have money, so he will say dire na besha. Dire meaning that person specifically, I don't have money. Dire na besha. Dire na besha. I don't have money. Dire na besha. Gobera besha. Dire na besha. I don't have money. Maybe he or she has money. He will say, or he or she will ask you, how much money do you need, or how much can I lend you? Ureda gukobere besha shigana. Ureda gukobere besha shigana. How much money would you like I lend you? Or how much money do you want to borrow from me? And he or she might say 100 Kenya shillings. Gobera igana rimwe. Gobera igana rimwe. And then maybe gobera igana rimwe is meaning lend me 100 Kenya shillings, or borrow me 100 Kenya shillings. And then maybe he or she has given you the money, and then he will tell you, please don't forget to return the money back. Ndukariganirwo nikujokeria mbeca icio. Ndukariganirwo, don't forget, nikujokeria, to return back or give me back my money. Ndukariganirwo nikujokeria mbeca icio. Ndukariganirwo nikujokeria or nikujokeria mbeca icio. Now let's go ahead. The other thing, we have already seen that if you want to borrow money, someone says, I don't have money. You say, dire na besha. Maybe he or she, someone say, I have money. Dina besha. I have money. Dina besha. I have money. Maybe he or she or someone wants to say, I have money and I can lend you the money, or I can borrow you some. Dina besha na no gukobere. Dina besha, I have money. Na no gukobere, I can lend you some, or I can borrow you some. Dina besha na no gukobere. It's a bit complex. Gukobera besha is to lend. Or you can even say gukobera modo besha. Gukobera modo besha. Gukobera is lend, modo someone, money besha. Gukobera modo besha. Now, the other thing we get to learn is lend money. How do we say lend money? Gukoba besha. Gukoba besha. Gukoba besha. Gukoba besha. That's how we say lend money. Now, the next word we get to learn is a loan. How do we call a loan in Kikuyu? Roni. Roni. Taking a loan is kuoya roni. Kuoya roni. Maybe you can say, I took a 1 million loan. Nidiroire roni rwa milioni emwe. Nidiroire roni rwa milioni emwe. Kuoya roni is to take a loan. To take a loan. Kuoya roni. Nidiroire roni rwa milioni emwe. I took a 1 million loan. We've already said to take a loan is kuoya roni. And a loan is called roni. Now, what is it to pay back the loan? How do we say paying the loan or paying back the loan? Kuriha roni. Kuriha roni. Koreha is simply paying or paying back. Koreha roni. Now, maybe I want to say I'm paying the loan for 1 year. Ndĩrarĩha roni kahinda ka mwaka ũmwe. Ndĩrarĩha, I'm paying, roni, loan, kahinda ka mwaka ũmwe, for a period of 1 year. I'm paying the loan for a period of 1 year. Now, the other thing we get to learn is buying. How do we call buying in Kikuyu? Buying is called ogori. Ogori, buying. Ogori. Now, what is it when we talk about selling? Selling is called wedia. Wedia. Ogori na wedia. Simply meaning buying and selling. Ogori, buying. Wedia, selling. Now, the other thing we get to learn is loss. What is it? What do we call loss in Kikuyu? A loss is called hadhara. Hadhara. I went for a loss. Nidirathire hadhara. Nidirathire hadhara. Now, the next word we get to learn is tax. How do we call tax in Kikuyu? It's called magoti or igoti. Now, remember, magoti or simply igoti has also another meaning, which means the court where you go for a case and judgment and all that. So whenever you are talking about trade, business, money, you always have the word taxing or paying for the tax. So you use the word igoti. Koreha igoti, to pay tax. Koreha igoti, to pay tax. Paying tax. Koreha magoti. Koreha magoti. Or you can simply say koreha igoti. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me. And this brings me to the end of this lesson tonight. I hope you are able to learn something. I hope you are able to get familiar to some of these terminologies that we use in trade and even in money market. And yeah, till we meet again next time, thank you so much from wherever you're watching me. Thank you for everyone who have been subscribing to this channel. And if you've not yet subscribed, please make sure you get yourself, just click the red button, so also that you can also be part of this family. Don't forget to also click that notification bell so as you can also get notifications anytime I upload this video. Till we meet again next time, I wish you all a happy week, and stay safe wherever you are, and also don't forget to stay healthy wherever you are. Till next time, goodbye.